A quick shopping plan. I need to buy everything for tonight's dinner, but I only have 30 minutes and a $40 budget.
Okay, let's be smart. What are you cooking?
Chicken tacos, rice, salad, and a small dessert for my sister.
Nice. Start with fresh food, then dry food, then checkout.
I wrote tomatoes, lettuce, avocados, chicken, tortillas, rice, and ice cream.
Do you have a loyalty card?
Yes, but I always forget to use the coupons.
Use them today. Meat and ice cream can be expensive.
Can you wait near the bakery and text me if you see cheap dessert?
Sure. I will check the offers there.
Great. I will start with the vegetables.
Good luck. Remember, compare prices before you choose.
Choosing fresh produce. Excuse me, are these tomatoes good for tacos?
Yes, they are sweet and firm. They are on special today.
Perfect. I need enough for 4 people.
Take 6 medium tomatoes. That should be enough.
How can I know if an avocado is ready?
Press it gently. It should feel a little soft, not too soft.
This one feels hard. Maybe it is not ready.
Correct. Try this darker one.
The lettuce is $2. Is there a cheaper option?
The mixed salad bag is $1 today, but it is smaller.
I will take 2 bags. That still saves money.
Good choice. The meat counter is straight ahead.
At the meat counter. Hi, I need chicken for tacos, but I want to stay under $40.
Chicken thighs are cheaper than chicken breast today.
Are they good for tacos?
Yes, they have more flavor and they stay juicy.
How much do I need for 4 people?
About 1.5 pounds should be fine.
Can you make one package close to $8?
Of course, I can weigh it for you now. Here you are. It is $7.80.
Great, that helps my budget.
Cook it well and add spices after you cut it.
Thanks. Now I need tortillas, rice, and ice cream. Finding the best deals. Hi again, Mark. I cannot find the small tortillas.
They are on the lower shelf, next to the wraps.
Oh, I was looking too high. These are cheaper.
Yes, the store brand is a good deal.
Is the big bag better value?
Yes, but you only need rice for tonight, right?
Right. I should not buy too much.
Then, take the medium bag. It is on sale.
My friend says the vanilla ice cream has a coupon.
Yes. Scan your loyalty card at checkout.
If the coupon works, I will stay under budget.
You have chosen well. The checkout is at the front.
Checkout and success. Hello, did you find everything today? Yes, I think so. I am shopping for a family dinner. That sounds nice. Do you have your loyalty card? Yes, and I need the ice cream coupon, please. Please scan it here. Done. Did the discount appear? One moment. Yes, it took $2 off. Great. I was worried about the total. Your total is $36.40. That is under my budget. Thank you for checking the coupon. You're welcome. Would you like paper or reusable bags? Reusable bags, please. I brought 2. Here is your receipt. Have a lovely dinner. Thank you. I finished on time, and my sister will be happy.